Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma TS3150. Now this can be done directly from the printer without the use of an attached computer at all. And to do this, we simply open up the front of the printer. There's a little handle just tucked under here. We turn it down. And once the printer senses that that door is open, the cartridge cradle will move automatically into this position. Now, once it's settled in this position, just reach in. You've got the colour cartridge on the left, black cartridge on the right. So I'm going to change the colour cartridge. So you just reach in, grab the cartridge, press down, and you hear a little click when it's free. From there, you can just slide them out. Get your replacement cartridge. You just pop them in. Now when you pop them back in, it's important it goes in at a bit of an angle. So you can see there it's just kind of down lower than the black. And you lift it up until it clicks again firmly and is at the same level as the black. If you need to replace the black as well, obviously do that while you're in there. And then simply lift this back up. Your printer will then check the cartridge, make sure it's happy with it. And when your LCD looks something like this, you'll know that the printer is perfectly happy with the cartridge and allow you to carry on printing. If you have any other error messages, we have a series of articles on our blog that break down what each of these error codes means. So it's probably worth checking those out if any errors persist. If there's anything else you'd like to know, however, please do let us know in the comments. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.